On behalf of the Tamil Nadu Golf Federation, Tablets India, TPL, the league, the golf league. I am Raghunath, the chairman of the league. And to my left is Ramasubramanian, who is the tournament director. And to my right is Mr. Chandrasekhar. He is also one of the tournament directors. So we'll be, after this event, I'd also like, during the event, I would like to highlight first about the league. Then also, I'd like to say a few words about patience. Because so far, we have never had any opportunity to talk to media, whether it is print or the digital media or the TV media. Nothing, we have had no opportunity. We thought there is a good opportunity. Tamil Nadu Golf Federation, which is foremost in golf, and we give so much of importance, and it has gone leaps and bounds from 1996. Try to welcome the media once again. Also, the sponsors. To begin with, I would like to also say that all the sponsors, mostly all the sponsors, are all golfers. No money of any sort is involved. This is purely the game, sportsmanship, the camaraderie that we would like to promote, and we hope after this that we would achieve. And this is the inaugural event. The Tablets India THF Premier League has been conceptualized with a clear vision. The core objective is to deliver a unique, high-quality sporting experience for every participating member. We envision TPL as a platform that fosters teamwork, encourages healthy competition, and builds lasting friendships on and off the course. The 2026 edition marks the beginning, what we believe will become a defining tradition in Tamil Nadu's golfing calendar. 26 is structured as a team competition under the rules of Golf 2023 and will be played in stroke play format with Stableford scoring as an operating basis. 12 teams will compete in the inaugural edition. And the details about the tournament, Mr. Chandrasekhar will be highlighting after once I finish. Full-fledged tournament hosting capabilities and infrastructure. THF has established itself a key venue. Expats, which was a huge success. Minister also was here. So we have to give all appreciation for Tamil Nadu Golf Federation for running the course, the tournaments, the clubhouse, everything very efficiently.
The Golf Federation to bring the golf community closer through friendly yet competitive play. The vision of Tablets India TPL 2026 is to create a fun-filled league that fosters camaraderie, teamwork, and meaningful engagement among its members. Around 225 members have registered for this. A total of 12 teams with 16 players per team have formed the Tablets India TPL 2026. The team owners selected their members through an auction conducted on January 7, 2026 by Mr. Charu Sharma, the auctioneer. The game for Stableford, individual against par, stroke play, foursome Stableford, stroke play, scramble Stableford, and the finals will be in the format of 4-ball, better ball Stableford. We have 12 teams in this year's edition, and I am reading the team names in the alphabetical order. Amrit Warriors, Chennai Hustlers, Executive Eagles, Fairway Assassins, Gindi Gundas, Madras Masters, Madras Eagles, 19th Hole Smashers, OB Express, Pentagon Golf Addicts, RSL, and Team Alsec. The weekly Tablets India TPL 2026 tournament will commence on the 25th of February and conclude on the 25th of March 2026. matches will be held every Wednesday with the players participating in the morning as well as the afternoon session. The prize distribution function will be held on March 27, 2026 at Park Hyatt.
video. So, okay, camera.